Namaste. So today's our topic is manifestation. So today we will see the manifestation of the meningitis. So carraging sign we have seen, then bruising signs, several neck stiffness cause the patient hips and knee to flex when the neck is flexed. Then assignment diagnosis history taking physical assessment CT MRI blood culture sensitive lumbar and puncture. Then CGF finding is PSF finding is pressure normal bacterial and viral infection fungal infection. So you can see this. Then complication sensor neural hearing loss epilepsy seizures memory loss paralysis learning difficulty behavioral difficulty, diseased intelligence, septicemia, death. Medical management is bacterial meningitis, third generation, cephalosporin such as cefotaxime and ceftriaxone. Then vancomycin is added in the regimen of the case of resistance. Then dexamethasone dehydration and shock can be treated with the fluid therapy, phenytoin for the seizure management. Tubercular meningitis ATT medication are started. Isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide and streptomycin are the main. Second line drug is aminoglycoside. Chloroquine conventional therapy is given for 6 to 9 months in children. BCG vaccines offer approx 64% protective effect. Viral meningitis is mostly supported when no medicines are prescribed. Seizure prophylaxis is chlorapizam and phenytoin or barbiturates are given. Then increased ICP is injection of mannitol or 1 gram of per kg body weight followed by 0.25 gram per kg. Then dexamethasone and in case of hydrocephalus in the presence VP or LP shunt is required. Then adequate hydration is to be maintained. Antipyretic and antiemetics we can give to them. So here we have completed this. We have seen the drug related to the meningitis. Hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.